We're going to begin by setting our integral equal to the integral of u dv, and then we'll know that that is equal to uv minus the integral v du. We need to start by choosing u, and we want to choose it to be the function that we can differentiate repeatedly until it becomes 0. And that function is equal to x. So u is equal to x, and then our dv is going to be whatever's left over. And that is equal to sine x dx. We differentiate u, so that gives us du is equal to dx. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to integrate. So we have the integral sine x dx. That will be our v. And this is minus cosine x. Now we know that the integral of x sine x dx is our u times v minus our integral v du. Here's our u times our v, and that gives us a minus x cosine x, and then we're going to subtract v times du, and we're going to integrate that. So we have a minus the integral minus cosine x dx. Before we integrate, let's go ahead and let's combine those negatives. So we have minus x cosine x plus the integral cosine x dx. We can now integrate that. So we have minus x cosine x. The integral of cosine is sine x. So we have plus sine x. Now we have to add on our arbitrary constant. And there's our final answer. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.